If you frequently restock products, the velocity report helps you stay ahead by preventing stockouts and overstock, which can help keep your business running smoothly. To start using the velocity report, you'll need to assign a lead time to your replenishable MSKUs. Lead time is the number of days it takes to source, ship, and get your products checked in by Amazon. To do this, head to Inventory, FBA, or Merchant Fulfilled Inventory. You can view your inventory in different layouts by clicking the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the page. To see lead times, make sure you select a custom view that includes lead time as a visible column. By default, the page is set to standard view. To create a custom view, click Manage Custom Views. This will take you to the Manage Custom Views screen, where you can name your views and choose which columns to display. Make sure to include lead times as one of the columns. Then click Save Changes. Now, from the three-dot menu, select your new custom view. Once you're in that view, locate the MSKU in your inventory. The Replenish lead time field is editable, so you can enter the number of lead time days you want. Your entry will be saved automatically for that MSKU. Please note, the velocity report is designed to track items that you regularly replenish. It is not recommended to use this report to track all of your inventory. Tracking all of your inventory if you have a large amount of MSKUs can cause performance issues. To access the report, go to Reports and click Velocity Report. Your velocity report syncs with Amazon every 6 hours daily. MSKUs with newly assigned lead times or changes to lead times are added to the report the next time this occurs. Let's break down the report columns. Inventory item shows the item's title and ASIN. Click the ASIN to view it on Amazon. MSKU displays the item's MSKU. Click it to view the item in your inventory management screen. On hand, the current quantity available as of the last update. Inbound, the quantity currently en route to Amazon based on the last update. Supplier shows up to 3 suppliers. If more, click to view all. Average daily sales shows average daily sales over the past 30 and 7 days. Lead time, the number of days it takes to restock the item. Days remaining with safety stock, how many days of inventory you have left, including safety stock. Replenish by, the latest date to reorder before running out of stock. Some items may be slower moving, seasonal, or have occasional sales spikes that can skew your replenishment timing. To adjust for that, you can switch the report to days remaining without safety stock. This changes the reorder point calculations to average daily sales times lead time. To change the view, click on the selection box in the upper right corner of your screen to the left of the search field. Click in the box and select either with safety stock or without safety stock. Your last view chosen will be saved as the default for the next time you open the report. Exporting will export the columns you have in your current view. Click on the graph icon next to any MSKU to see a visual of your average daily sales over the past 7 or 30 days. Hover over each point to view exact sales numbers. You can view graphs by individual MSKU or see totals across all tracked items. Please note, if your search returns more than 200 results, graphs won't display. So try narrowing your search using keywords, MSKUs, or even scanning a UPC. And that's a quick overview of the velocity report. Thanks for watching.